5 seconds to go. Start. The conference forcibly brought several matters before the world's eye, and one of the resolutions passed at that conference was that we should explore methods of close cooperation. So, we are pursuing that line of inquiry, and perhaps in the course of a month or two, or perhaps more, we may have some more definite results to consider. Possibly we might have another conference to consider the possible lines of cooperation. Stop. Para. Again, comma. That cooperation can only be the cooperation of independent nations without the least commitment of one to the other. Stop. But it is a fact that there are so many matters in common between us that it is helpful for us to cooperate with one another. Stop. We have not yet decided what the region of cooperation might be, because India is interested in several regions in Asia. Whether all should be grouped together or separately, I do not know. Stop. That is for us to consider together and to decide what is more feasible, but in any event, two facts have to be borne in mind. Stop. One is that whenever structure of cooperation we may build up will be entirely within the scope of the Charter of the United Nations. Stop. Secondly, there will be no binding covenant in it, and this will largely be an organization for the consultation and cooperation that naturally flow from common interest. Stop. Para. So, our policy will continue to be not only to keep aloof from power alignments, but try to make friendly cooperation possible. Stop. Fortunately, we enter upon our independence as a country with no hostile background in regard to any country. Stop. We are friendly to all countries. Stop. Our hostility during the last 200 years was mainly directed towards the dominating power here, and because of India's independence, that hostility has largely vanished, though it may survive in few people's minds. So we approach the whole world on a friendly basis, and there is no reason why we should put ourselves at a disadvantage, if I may say so, by becoming unfriendly to any group. I think that India has a vital role to play in world affairs. The various ideologies that confront the world today, the various isms which threaten conflict repeatedly, may have a great deal, I think, to commend themselves, but all of them have been derived, if I may say so, from the background of Europe. Well, the background of Europe and Asia is not something apart from the background of the world. Stop. Para. Friends, if you study the history of India, you will also find that sages and seers kept on appearing before the society in different periods, kept incarnating to hold on to this thread of devotion. If a sage like Swami Vivekananda propagated Vedas and Vedanta to the West, then Srila Prabhupada and ISKCON took up this great responsibility of propounding Bhakti Yoga to the world. He worked to connect Bhakti Vedanta with the consciousness of the world. This was no ordinary task. He started a global mission like ISKCON at the age of about 70, when people become inactive. This is a huge inspiration for our society and for every person. Many times we see people saying that age has advanced, otherwise, they would have done a lot. Stop. Or it is not the right age to do all these things. Sign of interrogation. But Prabhupada Swami remained active for his resolutions from his childhood till his whole life. Stop. When Prabhupada ji went to America by sea, comma, he was almost empty pocket, semicolon. He had only Gita and Srimad Bhagavat. Stop. During the journey, comma, he suffered heart attacks twice, comma. When he reached New York, comma, he did not have any arrangements for food and no place to stay. Stop. But what the world saw in the next 11 years, comma, in the words of Revered Atalji, comma, it was nothing less than a miracle. Stop. Para. Today, there are hundreds of ISKCON temples in different countries of the world, and a number of Gurukuls are keeping Indian culture alive. Stop. ISKCON has told the world that faith for India means zeal, comma, enthusiasm and gaiety and faith in humanity. Stop. Today, comma, people in different countries of the world are often seen doing kirtan in Indian attire. Stop. The clothes are simple, comma. There are instruments like dholak and manjira in their hands and they chant Hare Krishna, comma, swaying in a spiritual peace. Stop. When people see them, comma, they think that maybe there is some festival or event. Stop. But this kirtan, comma, this event, comma, is a way of life for us in our country. Stop. This joyful form of faith has been attracting people all over the world and is giving new hope to the stressed world today. Stop. Para. Friends, comma, Lord Krishna has said in the Gita, that is, comma, one who loves only the living entity, comma, has compassion and love for them, comma, does not hate anyone, comma, he is endearing to God. Stop. This mantra has been the basis of the thought of India for thousands of years. Stop. And our temples have been involved in giving social basis to this thinking. Stop. ISKCON temples have emerged as the modern centers of this tradition of service. Stop. I remember how ISKCON had stepped forward to serve the people when there was an earthquake in Kutch. Stop. Whenever there has been any calamity in the country, comma, whether it is the tragedy of Uttarakhand or the devastation of cyclones in Odisha and Bengal, comma, ISKCON has always lent its support to the society. Stop. Even in the corona pandemic, comma, you have been continuously arranging food and other requirements for millions of patients, comma, their families and migrants. Stop. Apart from the pandemic, comma, you continue the relentless campaign of providing free food and service to millions of poor. Stop. I am aware of the hospitals being built by ISKCON for COVID patients and how you are participating in the vaccine campaign. Stop. I wish ISKCON and all its devotees very best for this service. Stop. Para. Friends, comma, today you are not only serving Krishna with the mantra of Satya, comma, Seva and Sadhana, comma, but also playing the role of brand ambassador of Indian ideals and values all over the world. Stop. The eternal ethos of India is may all be prosperous and happy, semicolon, may all be free from illness. Stop. This idea has become the resolution of millions of people today through ISKCON. Stop. The love for God, comma, and the vision of God in the living entity alone, comma, is the way to the realization of this resolution. Stop. This is the path God has shown us in the Vibhuti Yoga chapter. Stop. We are hopeful that we will apply this mantra of God is everywhere in our life and make human beings aware of this harmony. Stop. With this spirit, comma, thank you all so much. Stop. Hare Krishna. Stop. Disclaimer. colon, this is the approximate transaction of PM's speech. Stop. Original speech was delivered in Hindi. Stop.